Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana. So this is your 10-minute daily quant practice with Samir. This is episode number 7. Let's have a discussion on this very beautiful question. It says how many coordinates with integral values will lie inside the circle of x square plus y square equal to 16. Now the standard equation of a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. If you compare this, you'll get to know the radius of the circle, as you can see here, is 4, right? So x square plus y square equal to 16 can be written as x square plus y square equal to 4 square. So the radius is 4. So x square plus y square equal to 16 is basically a circle with the coordinates center as 0, 0, and the radius is equal to 4, right? So I'm looking for all the points which lies inside the circle, right? Lies inside this point, right? So this you can say is 4, 0. This you can say is minus 4, 0. This point is 0, 4, and this is 0, minus 4. I'm looking for all integral points, right? That means x and y both should be integer and should be lying inside the circle, right? This point should be lying inside the circle. How do you get to know these points now? See that, guys, if I'm looking for the points which lies inside the circle, see x square, that means the square of x plus square of y should be less than 16, because at this point, right, x square plus y square is equal to 16. The points lying inside the circle means x square plus y square should be less than 16. Now, if I take there are two ways, right? Let me first tell you the easier way to that the method which is easy for you to comprehend. If I put y as 0 here, putting y as 0 here, I'll get x square to be less than 16. Now square of x should be less than 16. That means x can be anything from minus 3 to 3, right? X square should be less than 16. Square of minus 3 is also plus 9, and square of plus 3 is also plus 9. So therefore, x can anything from minus 3 to 3. Minus 3 to 3, it will give you 7 point. If I put y as 1, x square would be less than 15. Again, you see that x again can be anything. Like in the integral values of x will lie from minus 3 to 3. Because square of minus 3 is 9, which is less than 15. Square of 3 is 9, which is again less than 15. Taking any value more than 3, that is 4, which will be 4 square would be 16. I'm looking for those values of x for which the square of x should be less than 15. So again, I'll get 7 more point. If I put y as 2, x square would be less than 12. Here in this case, x belongs to again minus 3 to 3. So again 7 point. If I put y as 3, in this case, x square would be less than 7. Now x will belong to minus 2 to 2. Anything from minus 2 to 2, right? Minus 2 to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So I'll get 5 points, right? For all of these 5 points, x square would be less than 7. And if I put y as 4, x square will be less than 0. Now, square of x cannot be less than 0. Square of x will definitely be positive value. So I'll not get any solution. But then I can take x as y as minus 1. If I take y as minus 1, again, I'll get x square to be less than 15. Minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 will be taken on the right hand side. So again, x can be anything from minus 3 to 3. So again, 7 point. Then again, if I put y as minus 2, x square would be less than. X square would be less than 12. Again, x can belongs to minus 3 to 3. So I'll get 7 more point. For y equal to minus 3, x square will be less than 7. In this case, I'll get 5 point. And for y is equal to minus 4, x square has to be less than 0, which is not possible. Now you can count the number of points here. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5. So 7 you can see is coming for 5 times, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So total number of integral points will be 45. Total number of integral points which will lie inside the circle of x square plus y square will be 45, where x and y both are the integers, right? Some points will be lying in this quadrant, some points will be lying in this quadrant, some points will be lying in this quadrant, and some points will be lying in this quadrant. Okay. Now, there's a one way to do it. The alternate approach of solving the set is there's another approach also that you can follow to solve the set. Let me tell you that method also. See that I'm looking for all the points which lies in this side, which lies in this circle, right? Which is x square, right? The radius here is 4, right? So this point you can say is 0, 0. This point is 4, 0, and so on, right? I'm looking for the points which lies inside this circle. So therefore, lying inside the circle means x square plus y square, summation of x square plus y square should be less than 60. That means x cannot take the value of 4. X can, the maximum possible value of x would be 3. So x can be anything from -3 to 3. And similarly, y can also belong to anything from -3 to 3. If one of them is, let's say, 4, if you take y as 4, then 4 square cannot be less than 16, right? It's equal. I'm looking for the points which lies inside the circle, so x square plus y square has to be less than 16. Now x belongs to -3 to 3, that means 7 points. There's 7 different possible values that x can take: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 7 points are there. Similarly, 7 points are also exist for y. So now x can take 7 values, y can take 7 values. The combination that x and y, the number of combination that you can take, the x and y, the total number of combination would be 7 into 7, right? For both x and y, it will be 49 points. Total 49 integral points are possible, right? So if I'm saying that x belongs to anything from -3 to 2, 3, and y also belongs anything from -3 to 3, total number of 49 combinations will be there. But out of these 49 combination, there will be 4 combination of -3, 3, -3, -3, 3 minus 3, and 3 and 3. These 4 points, for these 4 points, you can see that -3 square plus 3 square less than 16 is not true, because on the left hand side you have 18. Except these 4 points, rest of the combination out of 49 will be valid for x square plus y square to be equal to 16. So out of 49, 4 combination are not possible. So there are total 45 combinations. So straight away you can say the answer to the question will be option number B, right? This is how you can solve the question like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Uh, and there is one more concept I can see there, right? Let me tell you, let me explain this whole concept with the graphical method also for your better understanding. This just strike in my mind that if you want to understand it graphically, you can see that I'm looking for the points which lies inside the circle. So now let's say if I'm saying one of the point which lies inside the circle is, let's say if I'm taking x as 1. Now x square plus y square is equal to 6 is a equation of this whole square. If I'm taking x as 1, then you see that value of y square, right? For point 2 lies inside the circle, x square plus y square would be less than 16. And in this case, you see that y square will be less than 15, and y will be, so you see that y square should be less than 15, right? So let's find out the points in the first quadrant. Then you can say y can be 1, y can be 2, y can be 3, y cannot be 4, because y square has to be less than 15, right? If I'm taking x to be 2, let's say, in that case, y square will be less than 12. Then y can be 1, y can be 2, and y can be 3 again. If I'm saying y is equal to, x is equal to 3, if I'm taking x as 3 here, let's say, in that case, y square will be less than 7. That means y can be 1, y can be 2, y cannot be 3, right? So how many points you can see inside it? 3 plus 3 plus 2. That means total number of points, right? Total number of integral points in this quadrant are 8. So 8 points here, 8 points will be here, 8 points will be in this quadrant, and similarly 8 points will be in this quadrant. So I'll have 8 into 4, that means total 32 points. Out of the rest of the 40, out of these 42 points, you can also see that if I'm taking x as 0 here, y can be 1, y can be 2, y can be 3, not 4, right? I'm looking for the points which lies inside it, right? So 3 points are there on this line. Similarly, there will be 3 points on this line, 3 points on this line, and 3 on this line. So 3 into 4, that means 12 points. And then you have 1 point which lies on the, which is a a center of the circle. So total number of points are 32 plus 12 plus 1, that is 45. So total 45 integral values for which x and y both are integers will be there, which lies inside this circle. That's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching this session. Please share it with all of your friends. Like this, there will be videos coming up every day on 10 minutes daily quant with Smear and 10 minutes daily DILR practice with Smear. And in addition to that, the new prices for Unacademy Plus subscription will be effective from 31st of March. If you are looking for a CAT exam preparation and you want to go for Unacademy Plus subscription, we are left with only 2 days now. Uh, these are the prices which will be effective from 31st of March. So if you want to go for Plus subscription, and these prices before 31st, you have to go for Unacademy Plus subscription. You can use my referral code LRDI Live to get 10% off on Unacademy Plus. Also, the next weekly scholarship test will be coming on upcoming Sunday at 12 p.m. You can completely research yourself for free, of course, using my referral code LRDI Live. Subscribe LRDI Prep for 100% syllabus coverage of LRDI section. Thank you so much for watching the video.